Okay, here's a tricky question. Okay, it's a bad question because it's a strange looking swimming pool. But anyway, here we go. The swimming pool is 30 meters long and 12 meters wide. Okay, so you've got a swimming pool. So let's just make a rectangular pool. Okay, it's 30 meters long and 12 meters wide. Okay, the bottom of the pool is slanted. So in this pool, it's a little weird. It starts slanting at the very beginning, okay? But it doesn't slant from 0. The shallow end is 1.3 meters deep. Okay, so the shallow end is already 1.3 meters deep. And then it starts to dip. So here's my shallow end. Okay, and then it starts to dip. Okay, and something like that. Okay, gets deeper as it goes. Okay, so it's 1.3 here. What we have is the bottom of the pool is here. Okay? I'm focusing on this part here. Okay, if you can make that out, I hope you can. Okay, the bottom of the pool starts here in the shallow end, and then it gets deeper. Here's the part where it gets deeper. And we're interested in the angle of depression. This line really isn't here, but that's where we measure. Angle of depression is always measured from horizontal, measured going down like that. Okay, so it's a little tricky. Okay, so if this is 1.3 meters, but we know the whole depth of the pool is 4 meters. This part here isn't 4. It's going to be 4 minus 1.3. So this is going to be 2.7 meters deep. Okay, this length here, same as at the top. So this is 30 meters. Okay, so these are the measurements we're going to be using. Okay, 30 is here and 2.7 is right there. Okay, and we're trying to find the angle of depression. Angle of depression, once again, how much does it slant down? What's the turning for that? Okay. All right, so here's my angle. I'm trying to find opposite. This one is adjacent. This one is adjacent because here's my right angle. Across the right angle, this must be the hypotenuse. We're not using it, so don't focus on that. OA. SOCA, TOA, it's a little hard to see there, TOA. Okay, so we're using tangents. Okay, tangent of the angle, tangent of theta equals the opposite over the adjacent. We don't know theta, we don't know the angle, so we leave that. Tangent of theta equals opposite, which is 2.7, over 30. Okay, when we have that, we just do the inverse of that. Inverse tangent of 2.7 over 30, close parentheses after that, is going to give me my angle, and here we go. Let's try it out. Okay, so inverse tangent, second function button. When you're finding an angle, use the blue button. Okay, and 2.7 divided by 30, and the angle of depression is about 5 degrees. Okay, it's round to the nearest degree. Okay, so 5.14, but 5 is what we're going to put. Theta is approximately 5 degrees. Tricky question, okay? I think on the test, I might tell you something like this. The shallow end, you know, is level for a certain amount. Maybe it's a level for 10 meters. Say this is 10 meters and the pool is 40. Okay, still 30 here. This part here would be 10. That's part of the shallow end of the pool, which is consistent, stays horizontal, and then it dips as it starts heading towards the deepest end. Okay, good luck with that one.